In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a scrolling text effect in Canva. We'll walk through this step by step to ensure you can effectively incorporate this dynamic feature into your projects, making your designs pop with professional flair. Let's get started by navigating to your Canva project. If you don't have a specific project in mind, you can start a new one easily on the Canva dashboard. Ensure you have your text ready to go, since that's what we'll be working with in today's tutorial. Now, once you're in your project, it's time to add the text you want to have moving across the screen. Think about what message you want to convey and make sure your text is clear and impactful. Once you have your text ready, the next step is to duplicate it. This might seem a bit abstract at first, but bear with me. You'll want to have two pieces of the same text, so go ahead and make that copy. Take this duplicated text and place it on the second page of your Canva project. Here's a little tip. On the first page, place your text on the middle left side. Why? Because on the second page, you'll want to move it to the middle right. This positioning is essential for creating that seamless scrolling effect, as it will guide the eye smoothly from left to right. Now it's time to add a transition between these two pages. This is where the magic happens. Click between the two pages in your project, and you'll see an option to add a transition. Look for one called Match and Move. Selecting this option will enable the scrolling effect. The transition does the heavy lifting here, ensuring that your text glides gently from page to page, making it look like it's continuously scrolling. If you click Preview, you can see how it all comes together. This is a great way to review your work and adjust if needed. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully added a scrolling text effect to your Canva design. This feature is not only eye-catching, but also effective for drawing attention to specific information, like announcements or key points in your project. You can experiment with different fonts, colors, and sizes to see what best fits your design style and needs. With these tools and techniques, you're well on your way to creating more dynamic and engaging content that stands out. So go ahead and try it out on your other projects. Have fun exploring Canva and continue enhancing your skills to create visually stunning designs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.